Hello, this is Debbie the Brown Fairy for Brown Fairy Creations. I'm coming to you with another quick Easter tutorial. This will be the last one before the Easter holiday. If you are interested in purchasing this design, I do sell this in my Etsy shop at Brown Fairy Creations, all one word. I'll leave the link in the description below. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to do the placement stitch for our first bunny. And I'm going to cover that with fabric that has heat and bond light on the back. Okay, and cut away the excess fabric. Okay, so we have our first pink bunny and we'll just move on to the next one. Okay, and this is the placement stitch for our second bunny. Okay, and just like before, I'll add the applique fabric on the top. Okay, and this is for bunny number 2. Okay, and cut off the excess fabric. Okay, so we'll move on to the third bunny. Okay, and repeat as before and put the applique on top. Okay, and again, cut away the excess. Okay, and we're starting the last bunny. Okay, and add your fabric applique on top. And cut off the excess just like before. Okay, so here we are at this point. Four of our bunnies in place. We're going to do the satin stitch around all 4 bunnies. Okay. We're going to do the facial, eyes and nose on all 4 bunnies. Okay, and we'll move on to each individual bow. Okay, so we're looking good. Now we're moving on to the dots of all colors. Okay, so this is the first set of dots. So cut your jump stitches and we'll move to the next color. Okay, now once again cut your jump stitches and we will start on the letters. Okay, and we're going to start with the word all. Okay, this is the word my. Okay, as you can see, we have the all and my, and so our next word is peeps. Okay, and this is the word where. Okay, we finished the word where, and now we're moving on to big. Okay, we only have one more word left, and that's bows, and then we'll be done. Okay, that's it, all done. Okay, so here she is completely finished, but as you know, we have to rip off the water-soluble stabilizer, so I'll go ahead and do that now. Okay, so we're just gonna rip off the water-soluble stabilizer on the top. This is ultra salty, but you can use any kind you want. Okay, so here she is. We are officially all done with this design. And once again, this design is available in my Etsy shop at BrownFairyCreations, all one word. I'll leave the link in the description below. Thank you for watching my video, and this is a new channel, so if you can please like and subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you very much, and I will talk to you soon.